Hello guys, welcome back to Cosmic Curiosity, the channel where we explore the wonders of the universe. Today, we're going to talk about dwarf planets, those small and mysterious worlds that orbit the Sun, but are not quite planets or asteroids. What are they, where are they, and how did they form? Let's find out.
Cosmic Curiosity, exploring science and universe.
A dwarf planet is a round object that orbits the Sun, but has not cleared its neighborhood of other smaller objects. This means that a dwarf planet shares its orbit with asteroids, comets, or other dwarf planets. There are 5 official dwarf planets in our solar system: Ceres, Pluto, Haumea, MakeMake, and Eris. But there are many more candidates that could be classified as dwarf planets in the future. Do you know that dwarf planets can be found in different places in the solar system? Ceres is the smallest and closest dwarf planet to the Sun, and it is located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Ceres is made of rock and ice, and it may have a thin atmosphere and a hidden ocean. The other 4 dwarf planets are much farther from the Sun, in a region called the Kuiper belt. The Kuiper belt is a ring of icy bodies that extends beyond the orbit of Neptune. The Kuiper belt is home to Pluto, Haumea, MakeMake, and Eris. These dwarf planets are also made of rock and ice, and they have different colors, shapes, and moons. Pluto is the largest and most famous dwarf planet, and it has 5 moons, including Charon, which is so big that some astronomers consider Pluto and Charon to be a double dwarf planet system. Dwarf planets can also be found even farther from the Sun, in a region called the Oort cloud. The Oort cloud is a sphere of icy bodies that surrounds the solar system at a very great distance. The Oort cloud is the source of long-period comets, and it may also contain dwarf planets, such as Sedna, which is a large and reddish object with a very long and eccentric orbit. Dwarf planets formed about 4.5 billion years ago, when the solar system was a disk of gas and dust around the young Sun. Within the disk, small particles stuck together and formed larger clumps, called planetesimals. These planetesimals grew bigger and bigger, until they became planets. But not all planetesimals were able to grow to planetary size, because of various factors that stopped or slowed down their growth. For example, Jupiter's gravity prevented the planetesimals in the asteroid belt from merging into a larger planet. And the distance from the Sun made it harder for the planetesimals in the Kuiper belt and the Oort cloud to stick together and form larger bodies. Some of these planetesimals remained small and icy, and became dwarf planets. Dwarf planets are fascinating and diverse worlds that tell us a lot about the history and evolution of the solar system. They are also potential targets for future exploration and discovery, as they may have secrets and surprises that we have not yet seen. For example, some dwarf planets may have oceans, geology, or life under their icy crusts. Some dwarf planets may have more moons, rings, or other features that we have not yet detected. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about dwarf planets. If you did, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more cosmic wonders. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.